Okay, looking from the middle to the back, there's your primary drum. And I'm going to take a look down at the drawworks. There he is. This is the back. You see the water swivel. Moving up now. This is an air cylinder. It's never been right. This guy here, it works, the locks, and it works on and off. And I can tell you how to get a new one, and you can rig it up yourself, and that'll be a big help because sometimes it goes bad in a bad time. Looking forward, there's the drill rig, the rod box. That is the transmission and the motor for the winches. This here is the lever, the lockout lever. Lift this up and you can shift the transmission. This also comes off of a little pump on the engine that I'm going to show you right now. Moving forward.